Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you a quick update on the Coresky Airdrop. The Coresky Airdrop TGE is set for July 21 at 12 UTC. They are listed on Maxic and also listed on KuCoin, and they have officially confirmed it. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. In the pinned message, you will find all the airdrops which I am personally farming. The link is in the description, so check it out. If you visit the airdrop page, you will see a page like this and it shows the airdrop is live. To check your allocation, you must connect your wallet. Then you will see your total allocation. If you visit for the first time, you will be asked for email verification and you may have a problem not receiving the code. I faced the same problem, but I'll give you a tip. You need to resend the email 3 or 4 times continuously, and then the code will arrive in one email. After receiving the email, you will see a link like this. You need to click on that link to get verified, and after that you will see your total allocation. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll try to answer. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.